Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I show you a EJ257 engine case with LA sleeves. That engine was already running in, I think it was from Italy, right? So here you see that the LA sleeves are at the top so big that the cooling channels are completed or more than a half closed. So we have to correct them, and many people don't know that and install everything like this. You have a bad cooling flow, and then your engine is overheating. And when it's overheat, you can not drive a good mapping, and you have no good performance. So that means we have to correct them. A lot of people maybe don't know that and install everything like this, and then you got problems because the LA sleeves are good. You can it can handle a lot of horsepower like this with this setup, but you have to correct here the cooling area. That we do now. Here I have the CID model, and I draw actually the cooling areas here at the top, and when I'm ready we go down to the CNC and mill the engine case. Okay guys, yes, the program is now ready. Here you can see the simulation. Looks like this. First we cut the long cooling holes, and after this, oh, it was so quick, you haven't seen. We do the small holes here, few millimeters, and then we are ready. Okay guys, let's go over with the block to the CNC and start the program. First we have to First we have to install the block correct in the CNC. That is sitting correct and is straight. Let's go. So now we set the work offsets for the X, Y and Z axis, and then we can start the milling process. I want to show you something. We have a new part in our Subi family here. Here you've seen Alex, how he is teaching Kevin. Say hello to all people over the world.
Hey!
Alex tried to teach him how to build a shot block. And Alex, macht er es gut? Alex, macht er das gut? Yes, he said he do it pretty good. You like the work, Kevin?
Yes.
You speak English?
A little bit.
Good.
My English is not so good.
My English is not so good. My too. Okay. Yes. The block needs something about, I think, 12 minutes. And then we are ready. I have a new Vice. It is sexy, yeah. Not a new Vice, I have a, oh, my handy. Ciao. Ta-da! The first cooling channels are in it. Looks pretty good. Looks like this now, but I will show it later in the next step when we can surface the deck. But before we surface the deck, we have to board this engine here. That's an EJ20 closed deck from factory, and that's one of the engine I showed in the last video. That was in German with the big turbo. That's the engine for this turbo. Hey guys, so new day. Yesterday it was very late, and the block is already ready. It's on the honing machine. Oh, I can show you the result later. Okay guys, ready with honing. These cylinders are absolutely perfect. I always take a lot of care that I hone the cylinder perfect on zero. If it is 400 to 500 still millimeters too big, you have problems with the engine need too much oil, or the noise of the engine is when cold is pretty loud. That's why it is so important, and a lot of other things. So let's take off the torque plate. Yes, ready. Yes, looks like this. I'm pretty happy with this. Now it is good for assembling. Yeah. I think that was the end of the episode. I said thank you for watching, and if you have any question, let me know. Write it down in the comments. Before I forget, let's check the important thing from this video. Really the most important things. Hey Alex, what do you do here? Heat shielding. What is the most important thing? Yes. Hello, dachshunds. Hee. Pina, you are tired? Pina, come here. Come here. Come here, boss. Come, boss. Come, boss. Here, come, boss. Hey, Fettsack. Say ciao. Say bye, Anton. Ciao. Der hat gerade ziehen lassen. Ey, du Wildschwein. He just farted.